Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can I cancel a pending payment on Regions Bank? Now, before we dive into that, let's talk about why this question is so important. Maybe you accidentally set up a payment for the wrong amount, or maybe you're just short on cash this month. Whatever the reason, it's good to know that you have options when it comes to canceling a pending payment. So, can you cancel a pending payment on Regions Bank? The answer is yes. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to make sure that the payment is actually pending. You can check this by logging into your online banking account and looking at your transaction history. If the payment is still pending, it will be listed as such. Second, you need to make sure that you cancel the payment before it is processed. Once the payment has been processed, you will not be able to cancel it. So, how do you cancel a pending payment on Regions Bank? Log into your online banking account. Click on the Payments tab. Select the payment that you want to cancel. Click on the Cancel button. That's it. You're done. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind when canceling a pending payment. First, it may take a few days for the payment to be canceled. Second, you may be charged a fee for canceling the payment. Overall, though, canceling a pending payment on Regions Bank is a relatively simple process. If you have any questions, be sure to contact Regions Bank customer service. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about canceling a pending payment on Regions Bank. I hope this information is helpful. And as always, thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.